And there's 4 shadows on the wall.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you're right, Gilly. You're right. There's one over.
I'll tell you something else.
What?
The old man has got no in.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Can't believe me when you see me here yet. Not there, now. Ah, don't be silly. It's all nonsense. I expect there's a scientific explanation for the goal. Answer that phone.
Not me, it might be the headless horseman.
Well, you've got a head. How can you talk into a phone? Albert, you answer. Hello? Is Chief Constable? Good heavens. Good evening, sir. I've been trying to get you for half an hour. Where have you been? Well, as a matter of fact, we've been out on a job. This is what sort of a job?
Tell him about the headless horseman.
Not good.
Of course we've all seen it.
You remember that story that Constable Harbottle told you about the ghost that made his teeth drop out? Yes. 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 Oh, your fault, that is. Yes, I'm listening, Chief. I'm listening. Then stop giving me all this preposterous bills about ghosts. You realize there's smuggling going on in your district? Smuggling? Oh, yes, we know all about that. Our witness must have been talking. Oh, we've got all the evidence, the whole cake. Cakeful. We've just been informed that whole boatloads have been smuggled in. Boatloads? Well, there must be real smugglers then. I mean others. Now listen. One of His Majesty's revenue cutters in mid-channel has observed a light in the neighborhood of Turnbottom Round. Yes. They believe this light's being used as a steering light for smugglers. Oh. Oh dear. Albert, take this down.